Okay, so now you've got the information around the actual project. Let's have a look at what you need to know in order to calculate everything to be successful in this project. So let's just have a look at the strawberry plants at 349. So I've decided to buy 4 of those for my enclosure, and multiplying that in my head is a little bit challenging. I could do it with a calculator, but often you don't have a calculator with you when you're out shopping. So let's have a look. I'm going to round 349 to 350 because that's easier to multiply. And rather than multiply it by 4, which I can do, I find doubling is a little bit easier. So if I look at 350 times 2, that is going to be $7. Okay, I can hold that easily in my head, $7. So now I'm going to double that. So I've got $7 times 2, which is going to equal $14. Oopsie, wrong box. $14. Now what I have done though, let's not forget, is I've put on 4 cents because I've put a cent onto each of the 349s to make them 350 4 times. So I've put 4 cents on. I need to take that off my figure. $14 minus 4 cents is going to be $13.96. And I can do that all in my head because it's really easy to carry those numbers in my head. So $13.96, and you'll be able to do this as well. So 350 twice is $7, and 7 and 7 is $14, 4 cents off $13.96. And let's see whether we know what we're doing. Lettuces are $4.49. I'm going to round that up to $4.50 because that's easier. So there's $4.50 twice, which is going to be $9. Of course, I've added on 2 cents because I've added on a cent here, and I've done it twice. So I'm going to take off the 2 cents, and that is going to equal $8.98. Okay, so that's an easy way to multiply decimals, is by rounding to a close number. Now, if we had a figure like, say, $3.12, you could also, I'll just do that actually. Where's my cursor gone? If you had a figure like $3.12, and I wanted to say buy something for $3.12 twice, again, that's a little bit tricky. It's not too hard, but it's a bit tricky. So I could round it down, and I could make it $3.10. $3.10 twice is much easier. That's going to be $6.20. Okay, but I haven't put on enough, so it's $3.10 twice, $6.20. I still need to add on some cents, so this time I'm adding it on. So I need to add on 2 more cents for each of those figures. So 2 more cents, that's going to be 4 cents. So my final figure is $6.24. Okay, so that's rounding up. Right, so we have multiplying decimals there. The next one is around calculating area. Now, in this project, I think I said 1 to 1.2 square metres, not metres squared, which I think I've written on one of the sheets. So a 1 metre by 1 metre enclosure, or a 1.2 by 1.2 metre enclosure. Now, the only reason you might decide to do the smaller one is because of the cost of putting things into it and heating it. So just work that out before you get too carried away on the size. If we were talking about what that is in square meterage, 1.2 times 1.2 equals 1.44 meters squared. Okay, so that's the only thing you need to worry about in calculating that area. The last thing we need to look at is adding decimals. So probably the best and easiest way to do this is again by rounding. So 449, actually I must have missed a box, 449, I can pick it up, which I can't, yes, here we go. So 449 I've rounded to 450, I've rounded 549 to 550, and I've rounded 849 to 850. Now the first thing I'm going to do to make it easy on myself is I am going to add together the 50-cent pieces. Right, so I've added that 50, and that 50 to make up $1.50. Now I'm going to add up the whole dollars. So we've got $4, $5, and $8. Okay, $4, $5, and $8 down here. And that is going to add up to $17. Great. So I know the cost of these three items is going to be $17 plus $1.50. $17 plus $1.50, which of course equals $18.50. Okay. Now what I have done is I've rounded each figure up again. All right. So I rounded a cent there, a cent there, and a cent there. So I know I've still got to take off 3 cents because I've used 3 cents. So $18.50 minus 3 cents is $18.47. So the cost of $4.49, $5.49, $8.49 is $18.47. Now, hopefully that'll give you enough information to be able to successfully figure out how much each of your enclosures are going to cost. You're going to have to muck around a wee bit and figure it out. Just going back, if it's still here, to this, you've got your costs here. Okay, so you can do this more than once and you've got your pricing here. So use those costs, use this sheet and figure out what you need to spend. Don't forget you've got a budget as well. Okay, I hope that's helped. If it has not helped or you need further support with this, just let me know and I'll come on down and give you a hand.